Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here to go over how the application process looks from the student perspective so that you as admissions staff get an idea of what they're seeing and what the process looks like. Frequently, admissions staff at one of our new client schools will be working with the application, designing it, and then they'll say, I designed an application, but when I go to it, there's nothing but this bare bones, nothing application form. I know I designed an application, so where is it? Where's my application? I have a very specific set of skills. Whoa. We haven't done anything with it. It's right where it ought to be. It's just that you need to know how our application process works in Populi. When applicants first go to your embedded application, what they're going to see there is the application gateway. I actually don't know what it's supposed to be called. I made up application gateway working in support some years ago and have been using it ever since. It's the initial form that an applicant has to fill out before they're passed through into the application itself. From a technical perspective, this is what allows us to create a specific instance of that application for an applicant without having them create a user and password and log in. They just fill out the application gateway and then go directly into the application. If the application gateway is set so that they must pay an application fee before they start the application, they'll do that there. Once they hit submit on the application gateway, they actually start their application. And that triggers an email that goes out to them unless you've disabled that email for some reason. That email contains a link that will bring them back to the application. That's how they're able to finish the application if they start it and aren't able to finish it all in one go or close the tab or something like that. They're able to get back to their application and continue filling it out via that link in the email. So as you're working with students, it's good to keep that initial email in mind. If you're troubleshooting something with students, they don't know how to get back to their application, then you might just have to prompt them to go find that email or send them a new one. Applicants then move through their actual application, filling it out, uploading documents, and then finally, if you're set up for them to pay their application fee before they submit, they would need to enter all that information and then they'll be able to submit their application. And then at that point, the application is in your hands, ready for you to review and so on. That's how applicants complete an important step in joining your institution. And right now I want you to join our institution by clicking subscribe down below. You can also click that notifications bell, ding, 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 so you don't miss anything. And then click the like button. What could it hurt? Also, you can find our social media links down in the description. Check those out. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.